Assalamu alaikum kids. How are you all? I hope you will be fine. Kids, today our lesson is months of the year. Do you know how many months of the year? Yes, there are 12 months of the year. Now you will read after me and learn these names of months of the year. Now let's start with spellings. Months of the year: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Now read with me with spellings. January, January. January, January. February, February. February, February. March, March. March. April, April. April. May, May. June, June. June. July, July. August, August. August. September, September. October, October. November, November. December, December. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Kids, this is your English copy. We will write in this copy months of the year. Open the new page and write down the heading on the top line, months of the year. And in the next line, we will write the month's name. First is January. J is capital. First to third line. January. 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 Children, we will write first letter with capital letter and all other letters are in small letters. Second is February. F is capital F, and further alphabets are small letters. February. Number third is March. March. Number fourth is April. April. Number five is May. May. Number 6 is June. J-U-N-E, June. Number 7 is July. J-U-L-Y, July. Number 8 is August. A-U-G-U-S-T, August. Number 9 is September. S-E-P-T-E-M-B-E-R, September. Number 10 is October. O-C-T-O-B-E-R, October. Number 11 is November. N-O-V-E-M-B-E-R, November. Number last 12 is December. D-E-C-E-M-B-E-R, December. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Children, these are 12 months of the year. I hope you will read it and learn it in the guidance of your parents. Take care. Allah Hafiz.